student. Now we are at unit 5th, that is resource management. So continue with this unit. We start with your new chapter, that is chapter number 14, human resource management. So first of all, introduction part. You must be aspiring to take up career and desiring to hold important positions that are rewarding. When you apply for the job, like many others, some persons will scrutinize all applications, shortlisted prospective candidates, and arrange for the interview. This work is primarily the responsibility of the HR, that is Human Resource Department. Human resource management is an important field of study that emerges out the resource management, which has an impact on efficiency of an individual and organizations. In class 11th, you have learned about the importance of human resource. In this chapter, we will discuss the field of HRM as a potential career and what it entails. In the past, large organization had a personal department which was largely responsible for hiring people, maintaining paperwork, and paying the employees. Later, it was replaced by human resource department, that is HR department, which played a major role in selection, staffing, training, and helping the workforce to improve capability and achieve better performance. In recent time, the phrase talent management is being used globally to refer the activities of HR professional to attract, develop, and retain employees. So, what are the significance? Workforce is vital for any organization. All organizations are manned by people. Regardless of their size or extent of its resources, the overall performance and profitability of any organization is largely dependent on the quality of its manpower, that is, the capability and performance of its human resource. Let us take a closer look at the role of responsibilities of the professional in the field of human resource management. Let us first understand HRM. It can be defined as the strategic and coherent approach to the management of an organization's most valued asset, its human capital, that is, the people working in the organization who individually and collectively contribute to the achievement of the organizational goal effectively and efficiently. HRM also focuses on maximizing the capabilities and performance of the workforce. Thus, HRM is concerned with getting better result with the collaboration of people by focusing on people issue and refer to all the activities implemented and used to effect the behavior of employees. HRM is an integral but distinctive part of management which help in attaining maximum individual development by providing desirable working condition and improving relationship between employees and employers as well as the among the employees themselves. So, HRM is a multifaceted process involving various areas like selection and placement of personnel, their introduction and training, performance appraisal, career planning, and potential development of personnel, etc. It also includes motivation, leadership, management of resources, and training and development of the entire workforce within an organization. HRM also include human resource development. HRD is the process of increasing the knowledge, skill, and capacities of the personnel in the organization. It also aims at getting at the best out of the members of the organization. A productive workforce contributes towards the economic gains of the organization. So management must force and ensure that there is an appropriate match between individual abilities and organizational needs. Some persons may be qualified but may not be adequately trained for the specific task that they are required to perform and hence need to be given additional training and further education. Competent employees may not remain competent forever. Thus, person who have been with the organization period of time and perform well may need capacity building and upgradation of skills to meet new challenges in the work environment. So, let us understand the functions of human resource management professional. Major function of human resource talent management are recruiting and staffing, that is getting the best employees, training and developing employees, retention and redressal, ensuring compliance to regulation, ensure fair, safe and equitable work environment, and paying fair wages to employees and performance appraisal through bonus and other benefits, sustaining high performing employees. So, next is your preparing for a career. To work in any profession, one should not only have subject matter expertise but also quality work ethics, loyalty, and positive attitude to work efficiently and to sustain in the given profession. Failing this, growth is profession will not be easy. There are some minimum expectations from HR professional in the manner they behave and present themselves as professionals. So efficiency in time management. HR professionals are expected to be efficient in time management. They are expected to help planning within a given time frame and identify time waster. Second is efficiency in time management. Performance. Knowingly and unknowingly, quite often, instead of circumstances and situations, people tend to compare two different persons. Instead of analyzing the behavior of a person, we tend to analyze the individual. The very basic principle of the science of management says that no two individuals are the same. A good HR professional always keep this in mind and remains unbiased in his her judgment. Knowing knowledge about the business and industry, it is important for HR professional to know and understand the business and goal of the company so that effective employee scheme and policies can be formulated. So, next is vision and goal for the department, team, and organization. What do you want to do for the organization?
हेलो
हेलो,
मैडम जी कहाँ हो?
इधर ही हूँ. So, vision and goal for the department, team, and organization. What do you want to do the organization? Are you planning to implement a competitive comprehension plan? Do you want to take your company in the bracket of 25 best employees in the country? Are you planning to acquire best of the talent from market? Do you think that you need control the growing and iteration rate of your company? Have you thought about organization development and talent management? They should have vision for the organization for HR perspective and goals for the department and team. Until and unless you are sure about your destination, you cannot take the path. So last is your inautism to share, develop, coach and mentor. Knowledge is wealth. The more you distribute, share, the more you gain. HR professionals are privileged and in a very unique position where they can develop people. They are required to help staff in changing their perception and behavior. They have a very important and crucial role to play for being successful in this task. HR officials have to be narcissistic and positive in attitude to be effective mentor and trainers. So that's all for the today. Thank you so much.